Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I want to talk about the Read Aloud function embedded within Scrivener 3 for Windows. Scrivener 3 is integrated with the Microsoft Windows Read Aloud function, which you'll find under Speech in the Edit menu. Click into your text and click on the Start option.
This is a whole load of text so that I can play around with things and see what they look like in real-world use.
To get the pop-up so that you can stop and start more easily and change your options, such as which voice to use, press Win, plus and tilde all together.
This is a whole load of text so that I can play around with things and see what they look like in real-world use.
Obviously, as Scrivener is arranged as separate text files, it'll read to the end of one, then stop. But this isn't necessarily a bad thing. I'm a huge fan of using Read Aloud to find errors in a manuscript. And being able to do so easily within Scrivener means that I won't have to generate an ebook file every time I want to do it. Although I still will generate a Mobi file because the Kindle voices are different. If you've never tried this before, you'll be surprised how many errors this kind of Read Aloud can pick up. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you again next time.